Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing my dogs to y'all. One of them is, I think, 4, and the other one is just turning 1. So I'm gonna get the one that is 3 or 4 first. Okay, this is Remy. You a good girl? Say hi. And then I'm going to get the other one. And they're both girls. Oh, come here. This one's name is Coco. Coco, say hi. Hi, say hi, Coco. Oh yes. No. She's a little bit crazy right now. Go play now. Alright, thank you. I'll see y'all in the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 20 subscribers. I really want it, okay? Gotta subscribe. Bye.